They should delete this character name blocks, bro.
Ano naman?
It's locks again,
Eh, ba't-
bitch.
Dark Harvester eh. Yung skin mo yung ano? Blood Moon?
Blood Moon? Blood Moon what?
Cut!
No, fuck that
Yung blood-
skin. It's fucking...
Dagi, ang liit ng ano.
Of course! The UI!
Anong yan? Pamakit.
Fucking Harris! You're getting old, bro.
Ang liit. Okay, nabugang kayo mamaya.
Just go interface. Go interface, fucking restore default. That's it. Settings, no, go
Laki
here,
ng ano.
sa tower. Go fucking settings, go interface, fucking press restore default. Reach, don't fucking
Ano trip ni Bri?
die.
At nag-i-English? Ano trip niyan?
Farman ko siya.
Tangina,
Nope, no.
nasanay ako, bro.
Napak niya ata eh. Kawawa naman top lane natin binubugbog ng ano.
No. It's actually good trade for Reach.
Bago ano to? Ang kati, ano yun? Ano kasi?
Oh!
Reach, are you a dumb fuck or what, bro?
Yung niya? Masakit yung niya?
Pre, ikaw ba yung bobong tanga? Tanga.
What? Masakit yung niya?
Percent damage niya. Masakit
Yeah.
yun.
Okay, hindi ko alam eh. Masakit pala yun?
Oh my god. The fucking easiest skill shot to dodge and you got hit by it. Stupid guy.
Ah, wala akong tab.
Tangina
Masakit.
bro, kahit hindi siya masakit, why would you get hit by that? Stupid.
Hindi ko nakita
Kahit
yan,
ano
ano?
recall.
Hindi ko nakita eh.
Kung talagang volley early. Malakas ba yung volley early?
Oh, what? Ay. Ayun, mas maganda short trade ko.
Ilang ma-all in. Pag level 3, ingat ka na dyan ha. Full combo ka level 3 eh. Yan ang Yumi player yan.
At may second, third ako. Hindi okay lang. Wow. Nag-flash.
Sabi, naninibago ako sa mouse.
You bought a mouse?
Then, ang tagal ka lang din naglaro ng ano. Ano tawag dito?
Tapos na CS
PC
ko.
game. Yan.
Where you been, bro?
Paano siya di na-trap dun? The heck?
Okay, it's GG. Fucking... My jungler doesn't want to go mid. Fucking easiest gank.
Kaya niya ata ko yung dives.
Of course.
Okay.
Ah, buddy. Ayaw niya.
Okay, uwi ako. Worth it yata mag-tier.
Binaro ko ata since ko kaya parang oh, yan.
Oh my god. GG.
Patay
Yun.
siya.
May whip ka dun. Ano yun?
Oh, patay siya.
Of course. You're stupid. Only stupid people die early game.
Buhay? Barrier?
Let's dance.
Bar.
Tapos natin ito, recall tayo.
Let the blood shed.
Anong karit? May wide ata dyan eh.
Why? Because I can.
Fine, fine, fine. I like the death. I like the death. I can TP to lane.
Parang dito.
I'm not gonna miss much. He's missing cannon. Miss cannon.
Philippines lang naman mismo eh.
No, fuck! Yo, can you gank mid? That guy's extremely annoying.
Mid ka daw rin.
No, I mean anyone. Except you, I guess. You will get popped, bro.
Ito. Ito mali. Nag-auto-attack ng character.
Ano, nag-TP ito.
Lux
Pero okay
TP.
lang.
What?
Can you guys reach?
Oh,
Dapat na.
Secure vision?
ito. Push na ako lane. Benda ko min. Nice.
You're fucking ulted. This one! Fucking Lux, bro! Bitch!
Okay. Wala ako.
Did you hit?
Tara ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He doesn't have ult.
Walang ulit din yung ano, volley.
Na.
Go for it.
Puno. Nice! Naka-ult ako.
Can you cancel?
Ah, lol. No. Nice one. Held ka? Nice one.
You said no ult volley, right? I'm gonna trust you, bro, okay?
Nag-gold yan sa akin. Nag-gold yan kanina kasi ano.
You're the
Nagkamali
goat,
siya
bro.
ng... Tagal pa naman ult early game, di ba? Pag
Yeah,
gold
yeah,
tingnan
yeah.
mo ako.
Ah, okay.
Fucking Rich the goat. Not a fucking rabbit. Lux, no flash. Life is good.
Ito break ko. Weird.
Pero siguro hindi ko finish, pero okay lang.
Of course, Rich the goat. That's my man.
Oh,
Ulti siya, what the fuck?
Fuck you, greedy bastard.
No go.
That's why he's the goat. He's the greediest bastard you ever known, man.
Kapal na mukha nung isa dyan, oh.
Stupid gang. Yo! I'm improved.
Kapal. Oh.
See, no fucking Magi is at fucking 8 minutes into the game.
Why? Because I can.
First time walang...
Yes! I wanna win.
Noon. Duo.
Rich? Fuck you.
kalimutan ko wala akong flash! No! Oh no!
Feeding frenzy.
Mamaya, chill ka lang. Nagka-red kayo ako, awa naman sa akin yun eh.
Really? You think you can outscale him with just one form advantage?
Anong gagawa nito?
Can we fight? Yo, help me. Help me.
Rowa naman first item niya, matagal siya mag-spike. Muna yung spike ko. Oh boy.
Tara!
Fuck. stupid guy. Leave this for Harris.
Mas ka! Di ka nag-i-call.
Pag pinalagang ka ulit ata niyo, panalo pa rin siya eh.
Gagi wala na siya ult.
Kahit walang ult.
Yeah. Don't fucking underestimate the bear, bro.
Yun lang.
Okay. This item doesn't...
O, diba?
Diba? Why ako? Tapos magre-recall na ako. Kulang form ko! Tanggala. Oh no.
I see it.
Dito ano
Yeah, Briar. We can fight here again.
I like.
I-dive yata nila ako. May ult na tong ano.
Yo, can hurry walk up.
Dive ako nito. May ult na tong Bolivar.
You got this. You have me, bro.
Holy. Okay, may item na siya. Rod of Ages.
Slow push siya for some reason. Baka nasa scuttle pa yung ano. Wala kong ult ah.
Because I
I don't... I want you to bait their skills. Not
So,
damage.
baka... Well, baka mga 1:1 kayo, if ever. Kahit i-2v1 niya. Patay ka niya! Patay ka niya!
Read.
Patay ka niya! Rook! Nakita ko na eh!
Reach! You fucking greedy bastard!
Nag-i-air
Can you-
po!
Kaya niya na mag...
Did you sleep?
Greedy.
Oh! Mag-iata. Oh! Walang ult yan. Kaya niya na yun. Wala nang ult yan. Diba?
Yun lang ba purpose mo, pre? Pagka wala ulti ni
Taga-bait ng ult. Kasi pag nagka-fall,
I mean, it works. Okay, listen, it works, okay?
Boy, di mo si Bri ped na ped oh. Hindi ka pa kasi nag-medyo eh, maski.
Fuck you, I'm not gonna do damage if I do Magi. Plus, I play
Yeah.
worse. Trust. Fucking Harris knows. I fucking go in like a dumb fuck. Yeah.
Tulogin mo nga. Tulogin mo.
He's fucking sleeping.
Hey, one team, let's go!
Hey.
Woo! Two plates. Please. 2 plates! Yun! Ay, dito na siya.
You're stupid!
Oh, shit.
Fucking run! You don't have red
Oh,
form.
di ako nakapag-flash barrier. Yung gagawin ko sana. Sad life.
Fuck you, getting old.
Yun, may red cane na ako. Pwede ba
Kati
dito?
niya, kati. Feeling ko
Sabi?
talo ka pa rin kahit red team.
Sa item eh.
You
Ade, one...
don't
Hindi mag-transform
fucking
di.
trash talk Reach. Look, I am 8-1 because of him.
Diba, may ano, may
Holy treat.
loob.
He's the what?
Ginagamit ka lang yan. Huwag kang magpapaan sa mga salitaan yan.
only fools hesitate.
Fuck you both. I have TP unleashed.
TP Unleashed.
Yeah. Unleashed TP.
TP Unleashed.
No. Reach, I don't think we can, man. Yes.
Magkano mo na ako? Darken mo na ako. Pag Herald yata sila.
Grabe, ang kati mo rin.
Of course.
Makapush na ako, okay lang.
Yeah.
Ang shield yan. Visit.
Harry. Never mind, he's here.
Hindi.
Briar.
Tara, tapakan niya lahat ng trap ko. Patay pa rin ako. Bastos. Shit, Lux. Na-animation pa ako ng Lux. Ang inang yan. Dapat yan ang first kill! Bastos!
Patay ka?
Yeah.
Sir?
Yeah. Bro,
Eh, yun daw, feeder talaga. Oh.
just take this and fucking take the tower. It's good trade.
Kaya niyo naman na natin? Or tama pa ako?
Yeah. Just push top.
Sino patay yung volley? Paano matay yung volley? Tinuliwan nyo?
It's fucking 3BX top side. If they lose, I'm fucking trash talking the Dark Insane. Fuck that. Don't fucking eat it, please. Good job.
Oo, kala talaga. Oh.
Ganun pala. May animation before pala para makita ko nag-ulti yung ano.
No, it's like a sound cue, not an animation. Like if you hear it.
Sound cue ba yun?
Yeah, sound cue.
Dito siya, oh.
Yung
Ako
animation,
random lang. Kaya pala nakakapag-dash.
blue yung character. Yung baba na tinatapakan mo. Makikita mo yun.
Ay, we. Kit naman.
Yo,
Puno,
you
dahil
can
pala
fight!
na.
Just fight! You don't have ult! What the fuck are you doing?
Walang flash. Wait lang kasi! Ingay kasi!
Fuck you! Yo, help.
Ang ina, finlash niya ako. Okay, doon.
Nag-flash? Lux?
Nag-flash yung Lux. Tingnan niya.
Fucking rage inting, bro. Yo, swap.
Ay, gagi, hindi hindi nag-combo yung volley sa bin.
Let's swap. Hurry.
Yan lang. Shit.
Go ba? Hindi.
Let's go!
Kaya mo?
Of course!
Pala, yeah,
Continue.
Yun lang.
Help! Help!
Nag-flash pa. Tapos nag-third din.
Hello. Bro, Rich, you're fucking weak. You're fucking squishy.
Gusto niya. Ba't nga nag-tap na lang ako? Puta. Nakarating ako dito. Kasi-
Bakit Lux?
Ako mas... Kagan eh. Tira mo.
Ibig chilling.
Yo. I think I play fucking hard force. That cup.
Keep friends close.
Hard
Wala ako
force.
nag... Ay,
That
wala
cup.
ako pang...
Then fucking play Nashor's Tooth, maybe.
Oo, ba't di ka nag...
Trap na one shot. Wala nang, well, matigas volley.
No, Nashor's is shit for a cat. After the nerfs.
Hindi siya nag-auto. Achoo. Ito daw, sabi niya. Tulog nga rin, tulog.
May tao dun, oh.
Wow, good job. Yo, Briar! Are you fucking deaf?
Kage, daming tumunog kanina. Layo mo lang sa akin, kaya di mo narinig.
Locks and may...
Daming sound cues kanina.
Okay. Sorry. Fuck you. Sorry, okay?
Kaya naman yun, di ba? Nag-flash pa siya eh.
Okay, nabubuhay na si Ridge sa sa volleyball.
Di pa din. Tapos ang burst niya.
Hindi, nabubuhay. Wala akong sinasabi na nanalo.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay.
What hurt?
I mean,
Nabuhay siya. Bato.
sige, gusto ko masaya.
Ay, kaya pala lambot ni Ridge.
Yeah. He's fucking building this and expecting to win with Darken.
Kaya may clips rin na lang siya. Malambot lang talaga. Ay, putang ina. Nag-random na kanina
Are you
yung mouse ko.
stupid?
Oh, yung mouse ko. Nagkaganyan yung mouse ko. Puta. Ito.
I don't wanna TP.
Eh! Oh! No. Nag-TP dito, man.
Sayang, di tumama.
You should have
May
asked
TP.
me to TP.
Ang bait naman nun.
Bitch.
Oh!
It's fucking
No.
Volibear. What the?
Oh!
Oh,
Ano, di ba minark ko?
oh my god.
Paano?
The bear.
Oh, did you fucking watch him teleport on your face?
Ha? Hindi, nag-TP siya habang ako dito.
Patay. Kasi di ko alam paano dito matama sleep ni Harry.
Tapos minsan tumatama ka, hindi mo alam kung paano, no?
Kaya nga eh,
Like something is bullshit, bro.
No sleep.
Like there are times that you expect it to hit,
Two.
but it doesn't. Yo, Lux.
One.
2 items na siya. Recall yung ano? Volley.
He's fucking one item, bro.
Please! Okay.
He's fucking one item. He's poor as shit.
No going back.
This guy is fucking rich.
Bullshit ng character, ang dali gamitin, yung taas ang damage.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And you only need to land one fucking skill shot. And then,
Inang tapat na dito yung oso. Ayoko masakmal. FPS drop pa. Muntik na ako diba?
yo, prepare for this.
Tama.
Yeah.
Mamasak ako na. Mga producer.
Stay mid-range. Don't bother split pushing. Or go bot actually, go bot. I'll go top.
Ah, yung oso!
Reach, listen, go bot, bro.
Oo nga.
We have to fight this.
Only fools hesitate.
Yo, clear it, clear it.
Shine. Ay! Papunta ako.
Volley, volley.
Oh no!
Go for it, go for it.
Nakaka,
Fucking tank it, bitch.
Ah! Di ako makapag- Well done.
Help me! Aris! No DPS!
Kunawa mo na nga lahat ng to, kailangan mo pa ng tulong.
Of course! That's why you're the GOAT! You do the damage, I do the finishing. What, you flash? Or W? It's W.
Panis ka, ang daming flash niya. May ganyan ka.
I have flash. Okay. I have flash.
Ang dami
I don't
yan,
have
yan ang
flashes.
flash niya mamaya. Ba't yung nagganto yung volley?
I'm fucking dead.
Paris
Multi
Maker.
siya.
May health scaling Paris Maker eh. Roa.
Nag-rift maker siya.
Health scaling na yun, ano?
Yeah, but it's shit. Just do the Harris build.
Sa Baris
Hindi siya
build.
nag- Ang dami kong build dyan. Anong build ba?
The one with the fucking critical item thing.
Oh, land.
Ano, layo niyo lumipad. Patay ka, pusa. Sa'yo na yan. Hindi nabibase ka, kawawa naman si Ridge.
You have all Ridge!
Patay.
Okay, okay, you guys win, you guys win. Okay, Lux coming.
Oliver. Ingat.
Yeah, no, Lux is coming.
No going.
Okay.
Kill volley. I think we can do Baron.
Ay, niya gusto niya.
Actually,
Hindi yata kaya sa-
we can.
Hindi niya kaya yan, no?
Oh, hindi.
Depende. Tapos na shield, patay na yan.
Nice kill.
Ano, inutan? Tatlo na kayo doon? I doubt na ano. Walang makakapatay.
I think
sa
go
inyo doon.
for blue wards.
May TP ako.
Mamaya.
Lang.
Mag-recall ka.
Okay.
Ano?
Pakawa nito.
Which one? Yo. Help me.
Hindi, pupunta ako. One shot mo na lang, Dowry.
Can you fight that? Please.
Ah, please! No, di ako mabot.
You have ult? Harris?
Di mas magandang ganyan ka na lang.
Ah, no. Grabe.
Gagawin ta sa heal.
Grabe.
Okay. Hello.
Go down.
Wait lang ha.
May ano dito. May nag-TP.
Eh shit, may volley. Mali flash ko.
TP. Black TP here.
Talaga?
Lock.
Ba ni Brian?
Patay. Oh, gusto ko ano?
Yo, who's alive? No one. Should be a free push.
Ano pa yung binenta ko kanina?
Ano yung FPS drop ako?
Bro, it's sad. He's playing tank.
Ganyan talaga ba dyan, Brian? 2 damage yung tank.
Oh.
Pag
You think
ano,
that's
after Rod
spirit
Fake.
visage?
Dapat nga, ano eh, flicker blade, kaya sa Rift Maker, doon ka na magfu-full tank.
Yeah, right.
Dalawa ang build path mostly dyan. Well, 3, including yung tank, pero mahirap i-pull off yung tank eh.
Yeah, well, I mean,
Yes,
full
either
tank is shit.
mag-nashes to ano, Rift Maker,
Yeah.
Hindi may ano?
para matas AP damage. Or yan, build niya dapat, pero ano, flicker blade. Pag hindi mo nga.
I'm fucking dead.
Ay, tinamaan ka, kala ka all in.
Yeah, same. Yo.
Tatas mo na.
Nakakapit ako.
Kagi, kumama si Rich!
Ult, bitch! Ult!
Fun.
Wait lang.
Ano dito? Nice na ka? Okay, okay. Tulog yung oso.
Nagolt.
Nagawa mo.
Yun.
Grabe talaga si Brian.
Taga-ano lang ako, Taga-answer na.
Bro, you're
Taga-answer ng
literally
cooldown.
the GOAT fucking ultimate baiter, bro.
Tank na lang kaya, pre. What if lang?
They wasted like fucking 3 ultimates.
Oo.
Nice one.
Can we... Go, Aris! Fuck you. You took the credit. Yo, ignore that shit. Let's take Drake. Drake. Yo!
Chill ka lang. Hintay lang. Makuna ka. Grabe, sakit mo.
Bro, I'm full item.
Sakit mo. Sabi ko. Wala mo sasabing ano ah. I'm surprised na masakit ka. Wala mo sabi ka masakit ka.
Okay. I thought you're underestimating me. Okay, fuck you, Haris. It's time.
Wala na po. GG na to. Throwing.
I could have sold it for a fucking this thing, like the Seeker's Arm Guard. But I chose to go with the Soul Seal.
Bigla nag-surrender, no? GG. Kawawa ang ano ni Bri.
No, I upload defeat. GG. It's dead. Help me! Hurry! Thank
Ka
you.
lang. Grabe, ang tigas niya.
Hurry. 30% damage reduction.
We?
Of course. And with this one. You cannot burst him.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Nakalimutan ko, hindi ako yung ano, yung may demolish. Nagtaka ako, bakit si Rich nakasabot? Naka-ano.
Bro, Ridge is like a walking support something, I don't know. He's a walking training dummy, bro.
Hanta ka ng ano, ng polar bear.
End pass kasi may gagawin ako pagkat.
Bro, our jungler doesn't want to take Baron.
Parang tayo.
Wag.
No, we cannot.
May item ako.
Ridge, listen. If you fucking force Baron, we will lose.
Immortal na.
Dapat kanina kasi may dalawang patay kasi.
No, fucking jungler doesn't want to listen. We cannot do it with just 4 of us, man.
Grabe, ang tigas niya.
No, I'm tanky. I have 2.8k.
Ay. Patay.
Press ult! My god.
Hold pag stand ako, mas ka.
Oh, skill issue.
Nasaan yung bear?
It's up, top, top.
Kaso lang, yung kailangan ko
Ah, may
umalis.
mataas na stocks ng ano eh. Nakakaano siya kanina eh. Ah, shit. Okay.
Are you good? You got hit?
Naman.
You're dead. Oh my god! Fucking heart set is good.
Takong... Heartset? Anong heartset?
Ah, sorry. Oh, wait, oh nga, no? My bad.
Ibang laro yan.
Yeah, my bad, sorry.
Tama!
Really? My bad, I'm fucking blind.
Eh, wala na siyang kwenta. Nagka-mortal reminder lang ako. Let's go. Lumabot siya bigla.
Help me, help me.
Storage.
He got the execute, by the way.
Oh! Patay yata.
I am dead. Ah, finasyan ako ng oso. Finasyan ako ng oso.
Help me.
Ay, hindi ko nakabot. Nag-flash.
Finasyan ako ni Bear. Finasyan ako ni Bear. Patay ka diya.
Why are you not baiting to me, bitch? Fuck you, Reed. Can you CT? Reed, bait to me. Why are you... Oh my god.
Medyo, ano kasi, kailangan ko umalis bigla.
Kumuha si ano, si Ridge ng plant habang ina-atake siya so wala rin kwenta yung plant. Ah, shit, bad. Question mark, bad.
Parang,
But at least walang flash yung ball. Nag-TP rin yung kalaban. May TP kalaban, TP kalaban. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung nag-TP from yung ano.
Wait.
Oh,
sayang. Sige lang.
dahan-dahan na fight! Ayaw niya magdahan-dahan na fight.
Kill him.
Oh no.
Ito. Shit, ang dami pa rin. Ang dami wala ang dodge.
No, we can fight. Walk up, walk up. Fight this.
Ito na naman si Oso.
Tiglit.
Yo, take Drake. Drake.
Kita na.
Yeah. Just take it. Nasa sa akin.
Sa'yo
Oo
nga.
Sa'yo nga. Sa'yo.
You said nandito yun, stupid.
Di ba?
Fuck
akala
your
ko
call.
tumigil. Ay mga Aris.
Pero makati ako pre. Masisi mo yung patayan.
Tara.
Lock is alive. Can you ult?
Tara slow.
Just do a warning shot of ult. Yo, ward here.
Pero may ward. Wala kang ward eh.
Good dodge. Can you focus?
Ah,
Just lock.
Oh no.
Should be a win.
Ubus mo.
Should be a win.
Ubus yan. Ubus dapat yan.
Yeah. Run.
Tatak mo.
Hurry, run. It's okay. That's good.
Kismin.
Tulog.
Ay, ato for, wait lang. Sige,
Nag-ping ka ba earlier, Rage? When you call, andito yung ano? Is it?
Chilling.
I don't think you pinged.
Hindi.
as death ko. Kaya saan binigay ko pa lugit eh, kaso lang. Third item.
I have Zonias. I can play greedy.
Oh, yung malo. Ah, naubusan kasi ng stocks na namatay.
Yeah. He's here.
Punta.
Item ka. Abre.
Can you push the lane? Reed. If you see someone, go southwest. There. Don't go to the bush.
Ito naman si, yes. Bossing. Kuntik naman pa siya magawa ng blue.
No, no. Blue?
Ano?
Sige, punta ako.
Yeah.
Dito.
Walk up. Fight it, bro.
Grabe!
Bakit? Ano
Don't go to the bush, Ridge. I told you.
Southwest pala. Okay. I forgot what southwest.
An enemy has been slain.
It's fucking dead.
Papunta
We need to push.
tayo lahat, no?
Yeah. Everyone's up top. I can dive this guy, whoever this is.
An ally has been slain.
Makakauwi na siya.
It doesn't matter. I hurt, bro.
Wait lang.
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
Pabilisan ata, sabi nung ano eh.
Sure. We can do it. Base race? Dive! Oh, you're not diving! My god. Then no base race. Help me! Dive it, bro. Fucking you pop called for base race. Help me!
Comment na naman yun.
Fucking and the fucking oh!
Ah, shit! Wala akong madaanan, bastos!
Fuck, man.
A summoner has disconnected.
Sayang.
Nice.
Wala akong madaanan. Ang inang
Bro,
yan.
Reach doesn't trust your call for base race.
Wala pa daw tayo damage. Wala item na tayo lahat, wala pa tayong damage.
I mean, technically, he doesn't have items.
Nag-RFC ako?
Yeah. You don't have RFC all this time?
Oh, hindi ko kailangan nun.
Wait.
Kanina.
25, 20. Your... Oh, Bloodthirster doesn't have crit?
Wala naman eh. 90% crit ko.
Of course, you have this. RFC will
90
make it 100. Should
Hindi,
be
inisip
good.
ko RFC or ano eh. Shield bow. Pero para mas maganda mag-RFC ako para pag may headshot ako. At abot ko yung...
Yeah. RFC
Inang
is
ito.
better.
Patay siya.
Movement speed
Nabutan ko siya.
for this guy.
Sino may mataanan ako? Kanya yun.
Fuck, I don't have flash, bro.
AFK si Ridge.
Yeah. Can we... If you can flip this guy, try. Anyone. Just flip anyone.
Wala. What the heck?
Fight it. Wait to me. I'm dead.
Ah, shit.
Surrender. We lost. He's not coming back.
Been slain.
Bakit naman ba wifi?
No. He got something to do.
Anyway, may gaganda siya.
Yeah.